In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite tips in Illustrator for exporting graphics. Now this is a fairly basic tip, but if you don't know it, then it can save you a ton of time in this process. Now here we have a very familiar setup, especially if you're a web designer. Maybe you've downloaded an icon pack or you've made some of your own custom icons that you want to export as SVGs for your website. Let's say that we wanted to export this Twitter icon. A lot of times you want these icons to be pixel perfect without any extra space around the artboards that you're exporting. Now, sometimes you may make a separate artboard, or you may spend some time trying to scale down your artboard around the graphic or graphics that you want to export, but it's actually super easy. If you were to select the graphic or graphics you want to export and then go up to Object, down to Artboards, and then over to Fit to Selected Art, it will do everything for you. So it will make it pixel perfect around the items that you actually selected. Now I got lucky here because my graphic that I want to export actually has space around it, but we can do the same thing if we wanted to make a separate artboard over here. Grab our artboard tool, drag one out, copy and paste the illustration that we want to export, make sure and reselect it, go up to Object, Artboards, Fit to Selected Art, and you can go through the export process from there. So I hope you guys learned something in this tutorial. Again, it's very basic, but it's super helpful when you're exporting these graphics from Illustrator. Make sure and leave a like down below if this helped you out. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.